Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which says let f defined from n minus 1 means natural number minus 1. So, the domain is start from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 dot dot dot. So, this is your domain. Okay, and then we have codomain. Codomain is natural number. Codomain is natural number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 dot dot dot. Now, f of n equals to highest prime factor of n. Great. Suppose n is 2. Suppose n is 2. The moment n is 2, the output will become what? Highest prime factor of n. So highest prime factor of 2 is what? 2. Highest prime factor of 3 is what? 3. Highest prime factor of 4 is what? 2. Highest prime factor of 5 is what? 5. Highest prime factor of 6 is what? 2 and 3. But the largest is what? 3. 7 is 7. 8 is 2. 9 is 3. Correct? Now, so that f is neither 1 1. So f is many one function. So if you'll observe this 2, 2 is connected with 2, 4, 8, 2. है ना? So 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So many input is giving you same output. This means given function is many one function. Correct? This is your first idea. Then onto into, we have to talk to onto into. So if you observe the codomain, then range and codomain is not equal. You will never get output as 1. You will never get output as 6. You will never get output as 4. So codomain is not equal to range. This means it is into function. Okay, and then these guys are talking about range of the function. So if I will talk to the range, just observe what is the range. Range is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Range is prime number. Correct or wrong? I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.